So I'm going to make a little rule box over here in the corner. Let me grab a little square, well, rectangle I should say. And we're just going to make a little rule box over here. And in this rule box, we're just going to keep track of what we've learned. So we know that a to the second power was equal to a times a. Okay. And we know that with our special guy, a to the 0 is equal to 1, meaning that any number raised to the 0 power will give us a 1. And let's look here at a to the 1. It's just going to give us a. We also learned that if we have two of the same base and we multiply them, we get the same base and we add the exponents. I think I could do a better job than that. Let me erase this guy and grab him again. All right. So now we're going to look at what happens if we take a value. Let's go back to our handy dandy 2, and we're going to raise him to the 3rd power, and then we're going to raise that to the 4th power. Now we remember that when we're raising something to a power, we're raising this whole thing to a power. That means we're multiplying whatever we're raising times itself this many times. So that's going to be 2 to the 3rd times 2 to the 3rd times 2 to the 3rd times 2 to the 3rd. Well, we know that when we're multiplying the same base and we have these exponents, we can keep the base the same and then just add them up. So that's going to give us 12. So coincidentally, well, not actually coincidentally, it's because of these being raised to the 3rd power and to the 4th power that we end up with 2 to the 3 times 4. It should be a 4, not a y. And that's going to be 2 to the 12th. So our next rule is a to the m raised to the n power is going to give us a to the m times